Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the AI Girls. My name's Alicia Waldner, and I'm your AI girl. And today I'm excited because we are going to be exploring the newest, hottest thing with ChatGPT, and that is your GPT. So first off, what is a GPT? Well, I didn't really look up the actual definition, but based off of what I understand about it is basically it's your programming your own chat within ChatGPT to make sure that you're structuring this conversation to be exactly and only what you want and to pull data that you want. For example, if you have been using ChatGPT as a marketer, over time, what was been happening after a certain amount of time, if you said, hey, you are my chief marketing officer, blah, 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 you'd eventually lose that information because it couldn't keep up. Where here in these chats, you're training it from the beginning. You're actually giving it a profile, a name, everything. So it's like an actual kind of AI tool just for you, almost like a robot machine that you're creating to be yours and exactly what you want. And there's different ways that you can go about it. So I'm going to show you just two kind of creative ways to do this, and let's see how it goes. So when you're in ChatGPT, you'll see if you have ChatGPT 4, I'm pretty sure that this is only a ChatGPT 4 option. So if you don't have it, you might have to wait. But I did hear that they might be on hold with ChatGPT 4 because the demand has gotten so high and they don't want to lose their quality, which I totally respect. But if you do have it, you'll go here to the Explore page, and then right here, it will say create a GPT, a customized version of ChatGPT for a specific purpose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have it create a dog, and this is going to be my doggy ChatGPT. And what I want the dog to do is have a photo of a dog where we can put anybody's face in it at any time and see what happens. So that's kind of an idea that I got from Matt Wolf, to be honest with you, but I am just going to try it out as a dog. He did it as a cat, and let's see what we do. I'm a dog girl. I don't like cats really, to be honest with you. So that's why I'm going to switch it up. Even though I do have the kitty room. I love my kitties, just not cats. And the kitty room is my podcast for those that don't know. But okay, so I want you to create an image of a dog and be able to put anyone's face in it. I want the dog to be a Yorkshire Terrier. Let's see what they say. I spelled Yorkshire, I think, wrong, but. So it responded, great. Let's give the GPT a unique name. How about puppy portrait? Does that sound good to you, or do you have another one in mind? Perfect. Puppy portrait. That's our ChatGPT. And it's cool. You really get a personality and a name for it. Now it's creating the profile picture. Aw, look at my little Yorkie. Nope, I think it's perfect. It asked if I thought it was perfect, and I'm like, yes. So now it's saying, do you want to try this out in the playground? And now it's already created. So after you create this, also wait, before I go into that, here under configure, you can go in here and manually do this, but ChatGPT can run all this by you. And then in here, you can choose the capabilities. So if you wanted to browse the web, use DALL-E as an image generator or not, obviously here we are going to need that. And then the code interpreter, which we obviously don't need for this. So then how to get to your GPTs is you go over to your profile on the bottom hand corner and then go my GPTs. And then here you can see we have puppy portrait. So here now we have our puppy portrait on the right hand side. And now we could start adding images. So it already prompted this, it already created this, and already knows what it needs to do. So I'm going to grab an image of myself, a selfie that I took, and let's see what it does. Okay, guys, so it looks like from 2 weeks ago that ChatGPT updated their rules and laws, and they're no longer able to use real people's images. So that's weird. Don't know why that's happening, because just literally 2 weeks ago, this is something you were able to do. So super weird, but at least you get the idea of what can be done. And it's weird that it let me get this far, even though now it's a restriction. And it says here that you can't use real images of real people. We can maybe try, please put Kelly Clarkson's face in the dog. Let's try to see if it can pull famous people. Wow, guys, this is crazy. So this actually might be why one of Sam's initiatives, Sam Altman, for ChatGPT, the fact that people can't be reusing images, because obviously it's gotten completely out of control and people were using influencers and their bodies and their faces on all different stuff. So it's been really scary, but yeah, I mean, this is actually probably a good thing, to be honest with you. So let's try another. This one is something that I'm hoping can really work. And this is more of a serious route to go with the ChatGPT or GPT, where I copied another thing that Matt Wolf did, but this I can use for YouTube. And basically, because I have my AI channel, this is going to start creating titles for me. And in here, I took what he did. The ChatGPT's role is to assist with generating creative and catchy titles as thumbnails, as well as thumbnails concepts for YouTube videos. It should be attuned to the latest trends and SEO practices to ensure the titles are engaging and searchable, et cetera, et cetera. We even mentioned, we don't want the title to be more than 50 characters because of YouTube. And yeah, just screaming, be attention grabbing, give us a minimum, and this is how we want it to look. So let's see what we get here. So right away, it always wants to give a name. So this said creative tube assistant. Heck yeah. I like it. Then it's always going to build a profile. So let's see what profile gives for creative tube assistant. Cool. Love it. No changes. Don't say yes, because last time I said that and they were like, oh, shoot. It said Matt Wolf's name in my thing. Guys, it's terrible. Okay. We want to change it from Matt Wolf to AI Girls. I didn't even see that his name was in there, so that's hilarious. Matt Wolf. Yeah, right there, guys. Whoops. So it's asking what kind of videos. This is more tech AI platform based videos. Explainer AI platform videos. Because that's basically what we do. Don't know why all this weird stuff's happening today, guys. I know I'm sleepy, but maybe because it's uploading right now. So now it's just asking for more detail. And obviously, the more detailed you get, the better. But sounds innovative, but catchy. And at this point, I'm just going to be done, and hopefully it's done. So it's going crazy right now, which is good, but assumptions are fine. Yeah, so look at if you when it's thinking, it won't let you send more, which is actually, I think, what normal ChatGPT is like. So now it's asking for the personality, and I'm just going to say casual. Because, we just want to be casual. We want to be cool. We don't need to be formal. We don't need to be funny. Okay, so I think this was just going to run on forever. Is now set up. Okay, so now it says it's set up. We're good to go. And we're going to hit save. And then we're going to do only me. Make sure you do this because this is what I didn't do last time. So that's why it didn't show up here and I had to go fish for it. But right here, you're going to hit on Creative Tube Assistant. And then I'm going to say, I created a video on how to create GPTs. And let's just see if that knows enough information to do what we want it to do. Boom. And it does, which is super sick. So this is so awesome once you train it and you don't have to keep reminding it like the other ones that I mentioned to you. So you can get stuff done so much quicker and it's killing it. It's already set up. The format's done. So this is amazing because even with my podcast, The Kitty Room, we constantly have to retrain it. So yeah, this is amazing. I'm so happy right now. So anyway, even though we can't use people's images anymore or our own, which is probably, like I said, a very, very, very good thing. We can't make stuff up of people anymore. At least we are advancing as far as the positives of using ChatGPT and the formalities of being able to really have it be a job position for us and help us get our job done quicker. So definitely use and abuse this. And if you like what you saw today, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. My name's Alicia Waldner, and I am your AI girl.